Hi, this is Peter from Net Foundation and welcome to the sixth video in a series on how to make a course in its learning. In this video we will talk about the element assignment. First, I will make the actual assignment by going to Resources, Lesson 1, Add, and then on Assignment. Put in a title and add a description. Click on Create Assignment. You can edit the assignments in two ways. Click on Edit if you want to edit the text or add a file, and click on Edit Options to edit the settings. Also, changing the title is different as in other elements. You simply click on the text to change it. In other elements, you first have to go into the text editor to do that. Assignments have distinct features. The participants can submit assignment answers by uploading a document or by writing down an answer in the text editor. Teachers can give feedback and mark the assignment. Adding a description and adding files can be done the same way as you do in other elements. You can click on Edit Options to change the settings, and most of them are self-explanatory. Go over them by yourself to find out what is possible. As you can see, the students can also hand in the assignments as groups. If you select that option, you can choose if the students create their own group or if you use a course group. This will be explained more in another series about administration. An anonymous submission is useful so that the teacher cannot see the names of the students when marking the work. And lastly, you can set a deadline for the students to hand in the assignment. Let's add the assignment in the plans. Just as a reminder, always make the elements in the resources and add them later in the plans to stay organized. These are some of the basic options you can use to make an assignment. Most of these things are also useful for other elements like a page, a test, a discussion or a task. In the next video, you will learn how to make use of the element discussion. Thank you for watching.